The Fed just cut rates, but Bitcoin tanked over 2%. It seems crazy, right?
Wait, a rate cut should be good for markets. Why did it drop?
It's a classic sell the news event. But what's happening beneath the surface is the real story.
Okay, you've got my attention. What is Wall Street trying to hide?
While retail is panicking, corporations just triggered the biggest buyback surge in crypto history.
The biggest ever? What are the numbers on that?
Corporate buyback Mindshare hit 16.89%. That's an all-time record.
That's a massive divergence. So the market is completely split.
Exactly. Bitcoin hit $90,088, and the Fear and Greed Index is at extreme fear.
Extreme fear. What's the exact reading?
It's at 23.55. But corporate treasury strategies are exploding.
So what did the Fed actually say to trigger this?
The 25 basis point cut was expected, but Powell's commentary on a slower 2026 easing pace spooked the market.
And Bitcoin broke some key levels, right?
Yes, it's now testing that critical $89,000 support zone. This is the line in the sand.
So you have one side selling on Fed news, and institutions doing what?
Institutions are treating this volatility as a buying opportunity for long-term infrastructure plays.
So the old rulebook is out the window. It's not just risk on or risk off anymore.
It's breaking down. We're seeing certain crypto sectors decoupling from traditional macro forces.
Fascinating. Let's go back to those corporate buybacks. Why are they buying so aggressively now?
They see Fed-driven volatility as a discount. They're loading up on Bitcoin while retail sells in fear.
Is there data to back that up?
The correlation data is wild. Corporate adoption now has a negative 0.85 correlation with Fed policy.
So when the Fed sounds hawkish and prices drop, corporations buy even harder. That's incredible conviction.
Exactly. And there's another sector surging in parallel.
What's that?
AI agent infrastructure. It just surged to 3.51% mindshare, a new cycle high.
Is that just hype, or is there real utility there?
It's real. It has a negative 0.91 correlation with the Fear and Greed Index. When retail panics, AI adoption accelerates.
So these autonomous systems are proving resilient to market fear. What else is happening?
3 more critical updates. First, regulatory clarity is accelerating globally.
Any specifics?
The SEC is preparing an innovation exemption. The CFTC has a new CEO committee, and the UAE is applying pressure.
That's huge. What's the second update?
ICO Mindshare hit 9.76%, the highest since 2021. Legitimate fundraising is officially back.
Wow. Okay, and the third?
A huge sentiment disconnect. Social media discussion volume is up 445% with positive sentiment.
But the Fear and Greed Index shows extreme fear. Where is that positivity concentrated?
You guessed it, in corporate buybacks and AI infrastructure. Headline metrics are missing the real story.
So the takeaway is that the market is splitting into 2 camps.
Right, macro-sensitive plays versus infrastructure conviction plays. Smart money is rotating.
This is moving so fast. How can people possibly stay on top of these divergences?
That's why we deliver these updates every 12 hours. It's the only way to keep an edge.
So what should people do?
Subscribe and hit like to get our analysis twice a day. You'll never fall behind on the signals that matter.